Hello friends, welcome to our channel 7 Star Media. This is Manoj, and today's tutorial I am going to show you something different, that how you can convert any image or logo into a animated image or logo using After Effects. So friends, let's get start. अगर आप लोगों ने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और वीडियो को खाली देखिए नहीं, उसको थोड़ा सा लाइक और डिसलाइक दीजिए, सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड. एक्चुअली हम लोग ने बहुत मेहनत करते हैं बट उसका रिजल्ट नहीं मिलता है जितना मेहनत उस हिसाब से जो रिजल्ट मिलना चाहिए. एक्चुअली वी आर नॉट गेटिंग दैट मच रिजल्ट एज पर आवर हार्ड वर्क. ओके, विदाउट वेस्टिंग योर टाइम, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. Okay friends, I am here with the new composition and I am going to drag this logo into the composition. This is the image, only an image of my logo, so you can play it, nothing is happening. Okay, now just select the logo and go to the layer and click auto trace. So what you are seeing, something is changing in the logo, so you have to select the current frame, and in the channel you can select red or green or blue, and you can see in the right side something is changing, so I am going to check the blue one. Okay, now threshold for me it is 80, you can adjust it and you can see the result. Okay, it's for me it is 80, is very good. Actually I have already done it, so it is good for me. And you can see you have to do by yourself so that you can select your logo areas. Okay, and click the preview, so you can get the preview here. Now press OK. So everything is okay. Just click the mask button. You can see the many masks are created. From here you can see there are so many masks. Okay, you can see a number of masks are here, more than 20. Okay, if you want to do more things, you can delete some masks. So I am going to select the masks and delete, hit the delete button of your keyboard. Why I am deleting, let's see. Delete one by one. Actually I am deleting the unnecessary masks which are actually the outside of my logo. One more thing you need to do, go to the mask, select all masks by shift key from your keyboard and select the add. So here is the result. So you can see outside of your logo is vanished. So here the work is actually starting. Now select this logo and in the effect and preset column just type the Saber. Actually Saber is a free plugin and it is specially made for Lightworks and it is free from Video Copilot, and I am going to put the link in the description below. So let's see how it is working. So now drag the Saber into your logo. See what is happening, only a bar is coming, you can check. Okay, now go to the custom layer. Here you can choose the layer mask. Okay, now it is done. Just decrease the glow intensity. Okay, you can see everything is done. So how to animate? So your logo is looking great. You can change the preset from here and decrease the intensity. Okay, that's it. So actually it is looking very great. Now we are going to animate it. So to do this, just go for the 3 second or 2 second. You just from your timeline just select the 3 second, and here is the option called start offset. When you click the start offset, you can see something is changing. Okay, so you can see of percentage is increasing, decreasing, and here is the animating. So from here at the start point, click the expression. Okay, at the 3 second, now it is in 0%. Okay, now at this point do it 100%. Okay, let's see the preview. Here you can see it is automatically animating. So you are seeing that it is working, but now the question is, it is working so fast, so how to decrease the animation? Here is the result. Here go to the effects, not the mask, into the effects, it is the Saber. Now you can see 2 points. Here is the 1.2 points. Now you go to the custom core, and here is the offset. We have animated in the offset start point and end point. So if it is going very fast, just move this point to the up to 3 seconds. So now your animation will become very slow. So फ्रेंड्स, आप उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप लोग कुछ समझ रहे होंगे। अगर जैसे जैसे मैंने किया तो ऐसे ऐसे आप धीरे धीरे करते जाइए, ऑटोमेटिक समझ में जरूर आ जाएगा। सो गाइज, होप यू गाइज आर अंडरस्टैंड, एंड इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू डू स्टेप बाय स्टेप, pause the video and do it in your After Effects, so it will automatically happen. Okay friends, but still it's not looking good because of the outside of the border. Okay, to do this, right click here and select a new solid and choose the black color. Okay, now I am going to scale it, because scale it and choose a shape. Now press the Alt key from your keyboard, and also you can do the Control or Shift. Okay, now you drag it, drag a circle into the black solid. Okay, now it is done. You need to select it and mask it, subtract. Okay, we have done it, subtract. Now adjust it, or you can scale it. And here you can do one more thing. Go for the mask 1, and here is the feather ready, little bit. And you can scale it little. Okay, so hope it will work for you. Okay friends, now we try this effects in text. So here is the new composition, right click and go for the new and create a text. And here either you can type here or here, just type my something, type welcome to my channel. Okay, it's done. Now select the arrow bottom, select it, and here you can move it. Okay, now it's done. Here you can adjust the text. Okay, I have done it. Now create one more solid, just new and solid, and do it the black. Okay, now in the effects panel, just type Saber. Okay, Saber is selected. Now select the black solid, do not select the text solid, just select the black solid and drag it into the composition, or drag it into here. Okay, now here is the bar, light bar, and here in the custom core, just choose the text layer, and after that here you choose the welcome to my channel, which I have just written here. Okay, here is the result. Now decrease the intensity. That's it, and do it some good neon. This is my favorite color, it's favorite effects. Okay, now it is working fine. Here you can just decrease the compression, right click, then come to work area. So you can do one more thing. Here is so many pretty cool presets. Here hot and fog and fire, so many really. So guys, see, you can see it here. Okay friends, I'm going to show one more example. Okay, let's delete the text, also delete the black solid. Now create a new solid and going to give you a new example. So here is the black solid and put the Saber effects, and here also choose the custom core mask layer. Okay, there is no mask, but now select the black solid and here you can choose the pen tool and drag it and see what is going to be happen. So what I was saying, when you are choosing any mask, it is automatically taking the mask layer shape. Yes, it's done. Hide it. Wow, it's looking cool. You also can animate it also. Okay, let's see how is it animating. So here the start offset you can choose at the beginning. So start is not working, so you can choose the end offset. Okay, now start it from 0 and after few seconds put it to 100. Now you can check. So by this way you can create any name using this After Effects, using this plugin Saber Effects. Okay friends, thank you for watching. Have a good day, and please do not forget to subscribe our channel and do not forget to hit the like button if you like this video. So hope guys, thank you, have a good day, bye bye. So हम लोगों का आप लोगों से उम्मीद है कि आप लोग इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे और हमारा इस वीडियो को अगर पसंद आए ज़रूर लाइक बटन हिट करिएगा। यह हम लोगों का उम्मीद है, आप लोगों का प्यार है जो आप शायद ज़रूर करेंगे। सो थैंक यू गाइज, और बहुत सारे वीडियो लेके आएंगे। सो हैव ए गुड डे, बाय बाय।